He almost left it there. Almost. But curiosity has sharp teeth. He hid the tape under his hoodie and left. The school had one working VCR left, in the audio-visual room, which students weren't allowed to use after dark. Perfect. That Saturday, just after midnight, Jalen slipped out of his dorm, avoided the night monitor, used the dumbwaiter shaft to descend to the first floor. He was good at this kind of thing. The AV room smelled like old plastic and dry carpet. He turned off the lights, closed the door, slid the tape into the machine, pressed play. Static. Then, a room. Dim bare. A single swinging bulb above. A girl sat cross-legged on the floor. Pale. Long hair. Eyes too wide. She didn't blink. Just stared into the camera like she could see through it.